When do you owe taxes to the IRS on your crypto? Well, if you meet one of these 4 situations, you will owe the money to the IRS for any gains that you made on that crypto. Number 1 is if you sell your crypto asset into US dollars. Number 2, if you take your crypto asset and you change it or swap it into another asset. Commonly, you own Ethereum and you actually trade that Ethereum in for an NFT. Or maybe you swapped Ethereum to Bitcoin. Anytime you're trading from one crypto asset to another, that's a taxable event. Number 3, you use your crypto to purchase goods or services. Maybe you used crypto to buy wheels for your car, like I did, because my car guy would like crypto a lot more than US dollars. Or 4, you earned money in crypto. Maybe this was from staking, or maybe this was earning interest on your crypto through companies like Nexo or BlockFi or Celsius. Now, it's very important to understand that if any one of these 4 events occurred throughout your crypto trading in 2021, you will have a taxable event that you need to report to the IRS. Crypto is on the top of every IRS auditor's mind, and it is their number 1 focus this year. It even asks you right on the front page of your tax return if you engaged in crypto activity this year. So don't put your head in the sand. Make sure you are paying attention to these taxable events before you get nasty Uncle Sam coming after you. And if you have questions about crypto, make sure to check out Crypto Charged. This is our educational platform. We provide all types of tax savings tips that we've employed. Or if you have other crypto tax questions, shoot me a DM or drop me a comment below and I'll take time to answer.